underwater and most people had to evacuate.
And the town of Paragon has really pulled together. As you see, there's no trash on the street.
Wednesday, residents were back home throwing away piles of ruined furniture.
This is about how high the water got in our house. It's probably about 8 feet.
Liz Cokie and her family lost almost everything.
We'll be all right. We're going to make it. We're holding our heads up, and we're working hard, a lot of sweat and tears, but it's going to be all right.
At the height of the flooding, volunteer firefighters rescued about 60 people. Now they are busy feeding the town.
At this point, it's probably one of the harder parts because the people are back in their houses and they're realizing what really happened to them.